Hello, Lions. You're going to come to readylibrary.com. That is a URL and not a Google search term. readylibrary.com is the URL. You're going to come right here and you're going to click where it says PreAP Bio Animal Kingdom Research. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to come and you're going to where it says click here. You're going to click on that and it's going to open up Mac and VIA. You are going to log into Mac and VIA. You're going to choose Ready as the school. Use your 6-digit student ID and your 8-digit birthday to log in. Once you are in, you'll notice that there is a Google Doc of the assignment that you can copy if you want to or need to, but the information for the research part of the assignment is right here. You are going to need at least 3 sources from this Mac and VIA group, along with MLA citations and a works cited slide for your presentation with your information. So this is just a link to Google Drive you can use. I would suggest that for this assignment that you start in the encyclopedias, like Encyclopedia Britannica, and you're going to put in your search term, and then you're going to click on it. And if you end up using this article, you're going to come up here to Cite, make sure it says MLA, copy and paste this citation into your works cited slide, and that is what you'll use for Encyclopedia Britannica. This is just going to give you a little bit of information about a lot of different animals, which is what encyclopedias do. And then down here we also have World Book. You're going to want to click on this and choose the student interface, and then you're going to type in your search term, and you are going to, if let's say you want to use this article right here, the MLA citation is down here at the bottom, so you'll copy and paste this into your works cited slide. Some of these others have the static URL, which you can also include at the end of your citation if you want to. So if you need to come back to this article for any reason later on, you would have it in your works cited slide. The next source that I'm going to recommend is the Gale Power Search. So this is going to maybe help you with some very specific things for your term. I suggest that you come over here to content types and choose books, and then you can go through these articles and see which ones might be of help to you for your assignment. You can also come over here to Topic Finder. Now before we do Topic Finder, if let's say you use 2 different articles from Gale Power Search. These would count as 2 different sources. Your source is not Gale Power Search. Your source is the Columbia Electronic Encyclopedia, okay? So you can use this source as one source, okay? So let's say you want to use this article right here. Come up here to Citation Tools, and you're going to make sure it's MLA, copy and paste this citation. This is the permanent link back to this article, which you may also want to use. A great thing about this particular database is that you can sign in with your Google account, and then you can download the article straight into your Google Drive if you're going to want it for later, okay? And then, so let's go back. Okay, so same thing here. Oops. Okay, so if you want to use this article, okay, you can download it into your Google Drive, citation tool right here, okay? And then the other thing with Gale Power Search is you can come down here on the right hand side where it says Analyze Topic Finder and click on that. And this Topic Finder is going to help you sort of narrow down your search term into some other search terms related to your broad search term. So for instance, if you're looking for information about worms and you want specific information about the life cycle, you can click on this and it's going to give you sources that are specifically related to the life cycle. You're just going to want to make sure that you're choosing the right thing over here and that you're not looking for something that's not your animal. And then let's say you want particular species, you can click on this and it's going to give you those very specific sources for that very much more narrow search term right there. Okay, the other place you may want to go is the GVRL, the Gale Virtual Reference Library. And a couple of things about searching in here for your animal. You're probably going to want to come over here to your advanced search, and you may want to put in both the singular and plural forms of the animal, especially if it's not a non-count. Like deer is a non-count word, so you would only just put in deer. but you're going to want to change this to keyword, and then depending on what your animal is, since I'm searching worm, I'm going to put in that I want articles about worms, worm, and the animal. So I'm changing these all to keyword, and then I'm telling it what keywords I want more specifically. I'm going to click search. So now it's going to give me some very specific books that are going to contain information about worms. So this may be a source that you can use, and it may not. It's just going to depend on what your topic is. The last one I'm going to show you is the images in context. If you guys are going to use any images in your Google slideshow, you need to make sure that you're using images that you can use and that also you can cite. So let's say I want to use this one right here. I can drag and drop this into my Google slideshow, and then I can click cite, copy and paste this citation onto my works cited slide, and I'm covered. Okay, so I would suggest that for your slideshow that you use images from here, because then you can just drag and drop them, copy and paste the citation, and you're done. And so that's going to be really easy for you. Explora is the next source that I'm going to show you. If you're still needing information, you haven't gotten all the information you need from the other sources, you may want to come over here and do some Explora searching. Again, you may want to come in here to the advanced search and tell it specifically that you are looking for information about the animal, worm, worms, okay? And then you can come over here, and if you're looking for books, you're probably going to want to choose books, because that's going to give you like more reference type sources for this. So in here, let's say I want to use this source right here. I can come over here and click on cite, and then I can tell it I want MLA, and then I can copy and paste this citation into my works cited slide if I'm going to use this particular source. Okay, so that should give you plenty of sources for this assignment to get you the information that you need. As always, as you're doing research, if you need any help, stop by the library or feel free to email me, lambertin@friscoisd.org, and I will be happy to help you with anything related to this research assignment.